You always begin with the familiar Macintosh computer desktop, where you'll find all your applications and files in a very familiar form, either as folders or individual documents. Just like your real office desk, you can organize everything on your Macintosh desktop to suit you. These are file folders created for different business functions. For example, accounting. You can organize all your individual files simply by dragging them into folders. At the top of the screen are pull-down menus. Use the mouse to point and click on any of these menus to display your options. For example, to open a folder, simply use the mouse to select the folder you want by pointing and clicking. Then position the pointer on File in the menu bar, hold the mouse button down until it highlights Open, and release the mouse. These pull-down menus are similar in all Macintosh applications. Macintosh allows you to keep several applications open at the same time and easily move back and forth between programs with a single mouse click. You quit each of them the very same way by selecting Quit from the pull-down menu. Now, let's say you want to copy a document to a disk to give to a coworker. Just select the document and drag it to the disk icon. Your document will automatically be copied to that disk. Throwing away a file is just as easy. Simply drag it to the trash can icon. Other computers require you to memorize complicated commands that are different with each task or application. With Macintosh, you'll never have to memorize codes or commands. So you'll be free to concentrate on what you need to do, not on how to get a computer to do it.
Macintosh has been the greatest thing for developing our business. And I know that it can develop other businesses because I see through Michael's clients how much it has helped them.
To start with, let's look at some of the things you can do to develop your customer list. With target marketing software, you can pinpoint your best prospects and create your own direct mail lists. You can analyze prospects by geographic areas and by type of business to determine where your best prospects are located. You can also select businesses by annual sales and by number of employees. Once you have defined your list, you can preview it. Location, size, number of employees, annual sales, and type of ownership are just some of the kinds of information you can have for every prospect on your list. Once you've selected names for targeted mailings, you can use the detail records to create mailing labels, reports, or export the data to a database for further manipulation. If you're working with an outside list broker or anyone else with an MS-DOS computer, no problem. Macintosh can read from and write to MS-DOS and OS/2 systems. In fact, if you need to, you can actually run MS-DOS applications directly on your Macintosh, so it is easy to share information no matter where it comes from. Now that you've seen how Macintosh can help you create or expand customer lists, let's look at how you can manage your own customer database more efficiently. Modifying a customer record is as easy as pressing a button and making a selection. You can maintain the exact information you need on each of your customers quickly and easily. Of course, you can track more than just your customers' names, addresses, and phone numbers. How about what products or services they bought and when? The names of key contacts. Here is a running account by date of all your customer contacts, which you can review and update at any time. Macintosh makes it easy to merge customer information from your database with letters and other documents in your word processing application. This process is called mail merge, and it allows you to quickly produce personalized letters for your customers. When you write a letter for a mail merge operation, you insert placeholders, where the specific database information will go, such as name, address, city, state, zip. These placeholders can go anywhere in the document.
Before we send this letter, let's make a few changes to show you how easy word processing is on the Macintosh.
To begin, let's move the paragraph about special discounts from page 1 to page 2. First, highlight the paragraph with the mouse. Then go to the Edit menu and choose Cut. Once you position the pointer where you want the paragraph inserted, you paste it in place. And there it is. You can also cut and paste information from other applications. If you're used to using a DOS system or manual layouts, you'll really appreciate how easy this is to do. To create emphasis, you can highlight words by underlining or by changing plain text to bold or italics. And you can easily make type larger or smaller. For larger documents, you can automatically number pages, create a table of contents, change from single columns to multiple columns, and much more just by clicking the mouse. Now that you've added some style, your letter is ready to print and mail. When you select Merge from the File menu, your Macintosh will print a letter customized for each person on your mailing list.
Macintosh will make your business development more profitable and will enhance your company's professional image too.
A business has to be run on a daily basis, and as well as you have to have all your financial information at your fingertips on a monthly basis.
Macintosh offers a wide range of powerful accounting, financial analysis, and reporting programs. They're designed to help you improve your financial control and save you hours of accounting time.
In all Macintosh accounting software, accounting is organized by a function or a task. To make a journal entry, you select the Journal menu option. To fill in a form, like a purchase order, credit memo, or invoice, you select the Forms menu option. The invoice is a good example of how accounting on the Macintosh is both fast and flexible. Notice how Macintosh accounting screens look a lot like the forms you're used to using manually. First, let's add the customer's name. It's easy. Just select it from your customer list. Once you select the name you want, customer details such as address, terms, and discounts are automatically entered in the invoice. Now, click on the first line of the invoice and press the Tab key, and the inventory list pops up automatically. Then double-click on the inventory item to enter it onto the invoice. That's all there is to it. Macintosh accounting programs let you create a wide range of reports. Of course, you can create the standard reports such as trial balance, income statement, aging report, and payroll reports. But additionally, Macintosh allows you to create your own customized reports. You get the exact information you need to make sound decisions. Say you want to look at your customer's credit history before continuing with your next invoice. Just choose a time period and the way you want the information arranged, and your report is ready. You can now resume processing your invoices. When you are ready to make an entry in your sales journal, you'll see a screen like this. To record a payment, just enter the amount and click on the invoice being paid. You can even allocate one payment across many invoices if you wish.
Macintosh accounting programs are integrated, so when you add transactions to accounts payable, your aging reports, suppliers' accounts, and inventory are all automatically updated.
Likewise, changes in accounts receivable will be easily updated in your trial balance sheet.
As you can see, Macintosh is a valuable tool for managing your company's cash flow and financial status.